day. Let's go. Hey guys! Day 3 and medyo solo traveling tayo ngayon. First time na mag-solo here in in Singapore. And mag-MRT kami kasi pupunta tayo sa
Fort Canning.
Fort Canning. So,
Buchanan.
abangan yung aming mga adventures today.
Dapat mo na guys, naka-oriental kung paano siya gawin.
True,
Para
true,
walang
true.
kaba.
Receipt. Dapat always ask for a receipt. Oo. Let's go. Tuloy ang laban. Let's go. Saan tayo?
Nandito
This
tayo
one.
sa Junet. And
Saan tayo pupunta?
tayong Bugis.
So, saan tayo?
Dito tayo.
Dito tayo. Guys, time check. It's... Ano ba to? Ano ba?
6:25
6:25 and currently nakikita nyo naman ang dilim-dilim pa rin. Ano, it's 6:25 sa Pilipinas, ganitong oras, araw na. And dito it's so dilim pa rin and abangan nyo ang pagsakay. First time solo, di ba? Yeah. So, bali sumakay na kami dito kasi since ito yung first ride namin going to the next station. And mind you guys, na kasama namin mga workers ng ganyang oras. So, sa train, kasama lang talaga namin sa mga workers. And this is our first time going solo. Let's go! Yeah, nasa na tayo? Downtown line, blue line. Wow, blue line!
Green to blue.
From green line to blue line. Just want to praise Singapore's MRT kasi promise, ang ganda talaga. Like the experience. Andito tayo. Little India, dito. Andito tayo ngayon, guys. Kailangan makapunta ng Little India. So, dito. The first timer sa MRT ng Singapore, make sure guys to always look for the signs, know the color of the track para hindi kayo maligaw. Dia to Dhoby Ghaut. Nikki, I'm so proud of you. Super proud of you. Super proud, super proud. Guys, success! Nasa Tiki, turo mo. Saan tayo ngayon?
Sa
Saan? Dhoby Ghaut. Pero on the way to the atrium at Orchard.
ito talaga si Ben. Fort Canning nga ni ito.
Ay, Fort Canning! Sorry.
Ano ka din guys na?
Pero, bilib ako kay Nikki kasi ang galing talaga ni Nikki, promise. Bilib ako sa kanya. So, congratulations Nikki, so proud of you. You're the best. Among the rest, help me God. So finally, we've arrived to our destination, yung Fort Canning. So yung signs na nakita nyo, once napuntahan nyo, yun yung way papunta sa Fort Canning. Kunting lakad lang kayo guys. And ito yung dapat hubungan sa inyo. And you know that, nandun na talaga kayo. And look at that Emerald Drive. So ito pala yung queuing doon. Hindi na kami nakapag super video and picture kasi grabe, ang bibilis lang ng pangyayari. And super haba ng pila doon. Also, next in the dock would be the Jewel Changi Terminal 1. Gusto kasi nila ng night lights. So, pumunta kami dyan at night para makita rin natin yung night version kasi highlight din talaga ang night version. So, after we meet up with our tita, ito ba yung tita ko pala? And pumunta naman kami dun sa kabilang terminal, which is ang Terminal 2. Kasi nandun yung another attraction. An LED screen lang siya. Pero, mostly nakikita kasi natin to sa TikTok. So, kailangan talaga natin ito mapuntahan. And thank you so much, Tita Rosa, for guiding us sa Terminal 2 kasi nakita na namin ito. And last day at Singapore and time is 8:55, medyo napatuklay tayo ng tulog. Pero we're here on our last day. Late ng gising plus tulog kagabi. So, kita nyo naman sa boses namin.
So on our last day, pupunta kami sa Sultan Mosque and ito ni aming final places na pupuntahan. So this is our first place na pinuntahan, Sultan Mosque, and the place is very nice. Kakaiba siya kasi wala naman tayong golden mosque dito sa Philippines. So the place is nice, promise. May mga artworks pa dyan yung mga stores dyan. So it's very good, it's very nice, and pwedeng puntahan ulit. And next part na pupunta namin, kunting lakad lang kami here. Papunta na kami sa another place here sa Singapore, which is the Haji Lane. So let's go. So here sa Haji Lane, ginawa lang namin is walking, picture. Then actually wala naman masyadong puntahan talaga dito, pero mostly picture, photo booths lang nandito, and it's just the place ang pinuntahan namin kasi this is one of those places na recommend na TikTok. So here, nakakasad man, pero uwian na kami. So from Singapore to Philippines, uwian na tayo. So here na kami, papunta na kami sa Terminal 4, which is nandito yung Cebu Pacific, and it's really time to go. So dito check-in lang tayo ng ating mga baggage and mag-rest muna tayo kasi uuwi na tayo ng Philippines. Nakakasad man, pero the experience was good. The whole ambience is perfect and the airport really is magical. Hope the Philippines could experience this or would have this in the future.
Hey guys, so this is it. Uwian na. Grabe, I'll miss Singapore kasi ang daming magagandang bagay dito. I think na-fell in love din ako sa country to kasi number one, malinis, organized, very well disciplined ang mga tao dito. Plus, kahit super developed siya na city, hindi siya polluted ng todo. People here are nice, especially all the drivers, lahat actually, from the hotel, airport, lalo na sa airport, grabe. And by the way guys, we're here at Terminal 4 and ayun, and just ko lang share yung experience ko dito sa Singapore with the airport. Lagi kong nakikita dito sa airport na to na this is a beautiful airport talaga. Pinag-isipan siya when it comes to the everything, sa convenience ng tao, experience ng travelers, kung ano na-feel ng isang traveler. So grabe, as in very much a nice experience here in Singapore, lalo na kung mapunta kayo sa Terminal 2 kung nasan yung sinasabing Jewel Changi Airport. Grabe, makikita mo talaga na amazing ang Singapore and babalik at babalikan siya dito. Everything here is expensive pero everything here is worth it. So, pupunta kayo ng Singapore, make sure na ready kayo. Ready kayo sa mga expenses, and as a budget-friendly naman na person, nasa sa inyo kung paano nyo siya i-manage yung gastos nyo and everything. So, I guess, thank you Singapore, and till next time. So, ready ka na ba magbabay? Ready ka na ba magbabay? Sa airport. So, mamimiss mo ba Singapore?
Super maminis.
Super. So, ayun.
Bye-bye, SD. See you, Philippines.
Bye guys! So, this is it. Uwian na.
Till next travel.
Yes, till next travel. At saan ba susunod natin na travel? Tingnan
Wala
natin.
pa.
Wala pa. Pero titingnan natin. So, bye-bye! Woo.
So this is it. We're going to board on the airplane going Pilipinas. And finally, this is official. Uwi na talaga tayo. Just wanna say, we've experienced 18 to 20k steps per day sa Singapore. Pero those memories cannot be paid. As in, legit. The experience was fun. The experience was nice. And babalikan talaga ang Singapore. So thank you so much, Singapore. Until next time. Thank you so much, Singapore, for the experience, and I guess sa susunod ulit na pagkikita. And see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. This is Russ and Nikki.